Welcome to Qiggz.com. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for jobs quickly and maximize your chances of getting hired fast. So, let's get started. Once you log in, head over to the dashboard. Here you'll see the section called Available Gigs. These are the job opportunities that match your skills. You can also track the number of gigs you've applied for and your active gigs right at the top. Scroll through the gigs, and you'll notice each listing shows the pay rate, project type, date posted, distance, and relevant skills. When you find a gig that interests you, click on it to view more details. A side panel opens showing the job description, requirements, skills needed, and the poster's information. If the job fits your skills, simply click the Apply button at the bottom to send your application. After applying, you can manage communication with the employer in your inbox. Here, you'll see all your job applications and ongoing chats. In this example, after applying, a professional message is automatically sent. You can also follow up with a personalized note to show your interest and stand out. Hi, I'm really interested in this role and would love to discuss how I can help with this project. Please review my profile and I look forward to connecting. And that's it. Applying for jobs on Qiggz.com is simple. Browse, review details, and apply with a single click. Don't forget to engage with employers in the chat to boost your chances of getting hired fast. Start applying today and land your next gig on Qiggz.com.